Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2015 Chrysler Town & Country touring van. Comes equipped with the 3.6 liter V6 engine, paired with the 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium cloth heated bucket seats, heated steering wheel, second and third row DVD entertainment screens, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these two-tone doors with tons of extra paneling and storage on the bottom, equipped with the cup holders. You're going to have the lamps in the bottom too, as well as the speakers equipped on the bottom. It'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows, as well as your child lock and your rear window door. You're going to have your chrome and wood accents. Driver's seats can be power adjustable, but you're going to have both heated cloth bucket seats, very comfortable. Left side here, you're going to have your lighting controls there and your ventilation. And onto the steering wheel on the left, you're going to have your voice recognition and odometer control. And the right side will be your cruise control. Vehicle control, you're not going to have too much. You're just going to have your vehicle speed. It's just going to go from miles to kilometers there. You're going to have the switch, obviously the shifter there, as well as you're going to have your tri-zone climate control with your rear climate, as well as your eco mode. You're going to have your 115 volt power starter right there, as well as you're going to have the classic Chrysler clock, as well as the infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity, radio and media, and as well as USB-A and auxiliary. Down below, you're going to have your Blu-ray disc player for your entertainment in the back, as well as two 12-volt DC ports, cup holder, and extra storage as well. And passenger sides can be manually adjustable, but heated still. You're going to have that same door. Of course, you're going to have the wood and chrome, as well with the glove box, speakers up top as well. You're going to have these kind of makeshift lights there, as well as your rear window and your rear sliding doors. And that's pretty much it. In these 17-inch alloy wheels running on winter tires there. You're going to have the paint match mirror caps and the door handles, luggage rack up top, deep tint rear glass. We'll come back here. You're going to have your trailer hitch just on the bottom with the exhaust on the right. Back, you're going to have the Stow and Go seats, so you're going to have lots of extra storage here. Seats are a bit of a process to take down with all the, not only just have the one hand. And if you go into the back here, you can see you're going to have speakers and cup holders on each side, and as well as right above you, you're going to have the ventilation, and as well as your hooks, and of course, the third row seating DVD player. Open up the rear, you're going to have the power sliding doors, of course. You're going to have the captain's seats. We hop in the back here, lots of legroom, storage behind the passenger driver's seat. You're going to have kind of the rear storage there as well. And right above you, you're going to have the rear ventilation, as well as the TV. Of course, extra lamps and extra storage just right there. Hooks and vents on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2015 Chrysler Town & Country Touring. It comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as Blu-ray, DVD entertainment system, heated cloth bucket seats, heated steering wheel, Stow and Go third row seating, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.